Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add the website feature to your app. The website feature allows you to convert your website into an app, helping you bring your business to mobile. Let's see how it is done. Go to our no-code app building platform. If you have already created an app, log into your account and go to Manage and Edit to add the website page to your app. If you haven't created an app, click on Get Started to start building. Here we will show you how you can add the website page to your new app. First, enter your business name here and click on Next. Then enter the purpose of your app and click on Next. Based on the app purpose you mentioned, the system will add certain pages to your app. Now click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. Once you have selected the desired pricing plan and have installed the app, all of our features will be unlocked. Click on Start Editing to add the website page to your app. If you see that the website page is already added to your app, click on it. If not, click on View All, search for Website, and click on the page to add it to your app. The existing app users can add the website page into their app exactly the same way. Now let's take a look at all that you can do with the newly added website page. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it to what you would like. From here, you can change the page icon. You can select a solid icon, an outlined icon, an image from our library, or add your own custom icon image. You can even upload 2 different images for the mobile app and website. Let's move to the content section. Here is your website menu name. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the website menu icon. You can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Here, you need to provide your website URL. On the simulation window, you can check that the website has been added to your app. Click on the Add More button to add multiple websites. From here, you can permanently delete the website. Let's move to the advanced settings now. Here you will see 3 different options, which you can enable to fit your needs. When you are finished, click on Save and Continue. That is all for now. Stay tuned for more awesome no-coding app building tutorials.